I think she looked good with long hair.
I will marry Jen.
No, normal woman. Kanang guwapa. Kanang guwapa yate. Mayang is normal woman. I'm not crazy. I'm just a little unwell. But Jen is crazy. Marry me, guys. Oh, I have lot of ring. Look. I think she few months ago I have long hair until here. But Jen cut it short until here. She cut
She
it.
wanted.
She cut it.
She wants to have a short hair. Shall we, Paula?
Jen is crazy and will be broke from scatter. Hi.
Hi, Sir Dad.
She always playing scatter rumbo.
Nabildi naman akong gabi 200.
And she got lost.
I lost 200 pesos.
She lost 200 pesos.
Ay, 220 eh. Hi, Michael. Good morning. I'm Marco Sanz. Good morning to you.
We're going to think about at the tabay. At the wheel later.
Baka?
That's another reason I can't be with Jen. Maybe your $100 will get lost. Don't fall dress down.
Huh?
Oh!
Purot na. Ako dahil mong wing upload niya, kaya di ba nito mo lutaw?
Dili mo lataw?
Hindi, tiglo man.
Naminggo plot yan.
Ay, silupin sa ISD sa kono.
Saan pag minggo plot ka karin ka, nahinog ka to.
Tarik naman dito.
Tingulan ron ay. Pero naminggo gili.
Tuya, day? Sagday na sige.
Pero ito. Nayang ito nga. Ako gihatag na ba ito na ako nga. Ingon ana.
Wala mayang daw.
Hello, who's that? Ha? Kisa na?
Ruben.
Hello, Robin.
I am very rich. Then send me a super chat.
Thank you, Miggy. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Mayang has the best legs and smile in the family. Ay!
Good morning.
Best legs! Look at my legs!
I like
It's so thin.
Thank you.
I have thin legs. But Jen has so very... Look at her. But she's so small. Her height is only 4'8". 4'8". 4'8".
Only.
Her height is only 4'8". She's so small. Her legs is only 5 inches. Anyways, thank you, Miggy. Good morning, Sakil. Good morning, good morning.
Ano ba yun? Ay, mindset.
Coffee.
Ay, mindset.
Hindi to, Jing. Agi na yun, God. Sulat, ande ko yun, ha? Let's have coffee. Kampay. Chris, kampay. Miggy, kampay. Ha?
Naka $7.
Adali agad. Tayo na lang niya ba?
7.29.
Tayo na lang niya. PM4. What's PM4?
You're amazing, Jen. Thank you, Lorraine. Jen, ti amo.